Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program to display the present or current date using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So here we have library file time.h, no? So this library file will allows us to use commands to display the current date or time in C programming language. By the way class, guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. The sharp includes the IO.h for input output, int main begin, and then we declare this statement, no, time underscore t current underscore time null. So this command belongs here in this library file. Struct record tm pointer time underscore info local time and current time, new line. To this date we have here decimal 2 for the month, day and year for decimal places. Time underscore info, the pointer value ta underscore month plus 1, tinfo mday, time underscore info pointing to tm year plus 1900. Return 0 will return to our operating system, and then write curly bracket to close the main body of the function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, let us go with online GDB and then let us run the program. Okay, so today's date is February 9, 2023. That's correct, no? If we check our windows, we have here February 9, 2023. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on today's date or current date, getting the current date in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.